legend is back. The Mazda RX-7 has made a stunning return for 2025, bringing back its iconic rotary power with a modern twist. Is this the ultimate sports car reborn? Let's dive into everything you need to know about the new RX-7. The Mazda RX-7 has long been a symbol of performance, lightweight agility, and rotary Angelian excellence. From its debut in 1978 to the legendary FD3S model of the 90s, this car has left an unforgettable mark in the world of sports cars. But now, in 2025, it's back and better than ever. The new RX-7 stays true to its heritage while embracing modern design. Mazda has sculpted this machine with flowing lines, a low-slung stance, and aerodynamic precision. The signature pop-up headlights might be gone, but the aggressive LED lighting gives it a futuristic edge. And just look at that wide-body stance, pure performance aesthetics. The biggest question, does it have a rotary engine? The answer, yes. Mazda has revived the legendary 13B-inspired twin-rotor engine, now enhanced with hybrid assistance. This new Skyactiv R rotary hybrid delivers around 400 horsepower, combining high revving excitement with improved efficiency. And with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, or a 6-speed manual option, driving enthusiasts will love every second behind the wheel. That unmistakable rotary scream is back. And thanks to modern engineering, Mazda has improved fuel efficiency and reliability, solving past issues that haunted rotary engines. Inside, the RX-7 is all about the driver. The cockpit features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display, and a minimalist yet high-tech infotainment system. Mazda has blended classic sports car vibes with cutting-edge tech, ensuring an immersive driving experience. And the Alcantara-wrapped bucket seats? Pure perfection. Lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and perfectly balanced, the 2025 RX-7 is built for precision handling. With an adaptive suspension system, Brembo brakes, and a 50-50 weight distribution, this car delivers razor-sharp cornering and unmatched agility on the track and the streets. Whether you're attacking tight bends or sliding through corners, the RX-7 offers a pure and exhilarating driving experience. The new Mazda RX-7 is expected to start at around $60,000, placing it in direct competition with cars like the Nissan Z Nismo and Toyota GR Supra. Mazda plans to release it in late 2025, with pre-orders opening soon. The 2025 Mazda RX-7 is everything we hoped for. Modern rotary-powered Ford sports car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. With stunning looks, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, Mazda has brought back an icon. The question is, are you ready to drive the legend? What do you think of the new RX-7? Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get Auto World when future episodes come out on video. Also, let us know what you think of the lineup. We'll try to adjust the list of episodes in order.